Hi guys, welcome. In this review I want to present to you the Advanced Acoustic X-i75. This integrated amplifier is very interesting, but now we go to see what we have on the rear. On the rear we have a lot of things. The possibility to connect the Bluetooth antenna by Advanced Acoustic. Always in digital input we have USB Type A for pens and hard disk, USB B for computers. We have also optical input and two coaxial input for the DAC. But we go to see what we have on analogic input. We have a phono input for cartridge. We have 6 RCA input, but we have also some output, analog outputs. The first one, rec out, is for recording, and 2 output. Very interesting are the pre-out, that is useful in order to use these integrated only for pre, and amp in, that is very useful to use the amplifier as a final. Sub out is interesting because is a filter exit for subwoofer, and you can reach a better integration of the subwoofer in your system for stereo systems. And we have also the IBS. I preferred to give an off to this option because I like the amplifier in AB using, not in only class A. Obviously we have also the exit for speakers that accept bananas, and obviously forks and cable. Obviously the EAC connector for power. When the power button is red, the component is off or in standby. Go to power on it. Okay. The volume control is useful because you see also digital and Bluetooth, USB-A and USB-B. When you choose your input, digital input, there is a light on it. Obviously there is no input, so no USB. So we can give the blue LED under the USB. And on the front we have also the exit. Obviously this is the volume control, and the remote control is very useful, but not only input, also balance and bypass to bypass controls like basses and treble that give better sound to the systems. So the Advanced Acoustic X-i75 is a complete amplifier because we have also digital input with a little DAC on board. The DAC is interesting because we can compare it to DACs that cost about 400 euros. And this is very interesting for that people that are nearby and have a complete system to start, because on it is all aboard, and there is also phonos for turntables, and the phono is interesting for sound. Is not the best phono on the components, but is interesting for the space that it needs. The sound is integrated, is interesting because is equilibrated and all is inside, and is a beautiful musical sound, very natural. But there is only one thing that I heard that is wrong, and is that the space is wide and a good expression in on horizontal space, but in vertical the chain is lower. But otherwise you can use also for preamplifier or amplifier. Using with like a final is a very good choice for musicality. So if you have to upgrade it, I see you to use it like a final, not like a preamplifier, because the preamplifier is that give this sham, these places small, thin, and I don't like it like preamplifier. I like it like a final, or also like integrated, but not like a preamplifier. This is all for this review that see a very interesting system at about 1,000 euros. To the next one. Bye bye.